Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to make your eToro.com account private. If you want more privacy while using eToro, you can change your profile setting to make your account private. So here's how you do it. First of all, launch open any web browser on your computer or your laptops or even on your mobile device and type in eToro.com and search. Make sure that you're logged into your eToro account, and once logged in, go to the left-hand side menu and scroll down and click Settings. After you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Privacy and Blocking. Now, go to the first option and you'll see Public Account option. Toggle off the button right next to Public Account if it is enabled. Once you switch this off, you'll be able to turn your eToro account private. After you turn on the Private Profile option, other users will not be able to see your trading information or profile details. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.